Now to add a button, you don't have to do very much. Here's you can see this button option. You have to click on it and drag and drop it below your text. Now let's go ahead and make some changes to the button. We want to make a button center align, and we also want to change its color, text, and I'll also tell you that how you can add an icon before the button. Now I'll go for shop now on the text, and you can see that it is being updated in real time, and we have already made it center align by clicking here. And now you can see the icon option. You have to go here and you can search for whatever you need. Like I'll search for cart, and here I can see a shopping cart. I'll click on it and hit insert. Now you can see that the button looks much better, but now we can go ahead and style it to look more professional. Now here you can see we can change the typography, and then we can increase the size, and I'll just make it around 21. And now you'll see that you can also change the text color, which I don't think is important right now. I'll go ahead and change the background color, and here you can see the border radius. So the border radius is a very important option. What it does is it helps you to change the shape of the button. Like if I go ahead and make it 20, you can see our button is oval now and looks even better than before. And you can then see the padding option, which I don't think we need right now. Also there is another important option, which is the color change on hover. So whenever somebody will go and hover over this button, the color would change. Now for that we can choose it to be, let's say, red. Red would look great. And then you can also choose the hover animation to like pop, and then update it. Now if you want to experience all the changes you have done to your website, let's go ahead and go to our website in another tab. Now you can see that whatever changes and whatever website we have made is showing on the main page. And now let's see that how our button looks when we hover over it. And then you can see that it looks cool. And our hover animation also is good. Now if we click on it, you will see that nothing happens. That is because we haven't yet set a link to where we'll redirect our shoppers. Now you can go to your Elementor and click on your button, and you'll go to content, and now you will see that in this link option nothing is filled. And this is the link that whenever somebody clicks on it, he will be redirected to this link which you give here. And we'll do these links things after we create our shop page. And now we have created the first section of our site. And let's go ahead and see that how our website will look on mobile phones. And to do that, you have to go here to the responsive mode option. You have to go to mobile here. And when you click on mobile, you will see the preview of your site on a mobile phone. Now you are seeing all the paddings, your text font, sizes, everything of your desktop site. And if we want to change these, we can do these, but some of these changes would also be reflected on your main site. Like if let's say we want to change the position of this image from here to here, you can say it looks much better, right? But this change will also be happening on our main site because we have changed the position of our object. But if we make this font smaller, like if it is very large according to a mobile phone, and if we go ahead and make it a bit smaller according to our requirements, and we can and this one is, I think, fine. Now as you can see, it looks better, but we also want to remove the padding. And to do that, just go to advanced and just unlink the values. Now you can see the mobile preview is looking much better, and we have made the font size smaller, and we have changed the position of an image. And you will see when you update, and when we go back to our desktop preview, you will see that the image position has been changed, but the text font size is as it was previously. Now let's move ahead and create another section which would help build our trust on our website.